Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your maths teacher Hafiz Faizan. This video lesson is for grade 6. Today our topic is subtraction. Subtraction of algebraic expressions. So what is subtraction? Subtraction is an opposite operation of the addition. Subtraction is an opposite operation of the addition. There are two ways for subtracting one algebraic expression from another algebraic expression. First one is row wise subtraction and second one is column wise subtraction. Now let's start from the row wise subtraction. Write first algebraic expression, that is 3x plus 2y, and then minus into second algebraic expression, that is 2x minus y. Now open these brackets. First bracket terms write as it is 3x plus 2y, and when we open this bracket we will change their signs. We will change the signs of each term because there is a minus sign before this bracket. So this plus 2x becomes minus 2x and minus y becomes plus y. Now adding like terms, first of all rearrange. So 3x minus 2x and then plus 2y and plus y. Taking x as a common from first two terms, remaining 3 minus 2. And the last two terms y is common and their coefficient, adding their coefficient 2 plus 1. So 3 minus 2, it is equal to 1x, and 2 plus 1 equal to 3y as it is. This method is called row wise subtraction. And what is column wise subtraction? In a column wise subtraction we will write the like terms in one column, just like this one, 3x and then plus 2x. Like terms write in one column, and 2y minus y write in one column. We want to subtract this second algebraic expression, so we have to change the signs of second algebraic expression. Its sign is, the sign of this plus 2x is plus, so we will change into minus, and minus y change into plus y. Now adding their coefficients, plus 3 and sign of this 2 is minus because we have changed its sign. So 3 minus 2, it is equal to 1x as it is. No need to write 1. It's understood the coefficient of x is 1. And then adding the coefficients of y, 2 plus 1 equal to 3 and y as it is. So you can see that we are getting the same results. Same result just if we are using the row wise subtraction or column wise subtraction, we will get the same results. Now it is exercise number 8.4. It's question number 1 part 5. Question is simplify, and these two algebraic expressions are given and between them there is a minus sign, and we have to subtract this algebraic expression from this algebraic expression. So first of all we will open their brackets. 2p plus q plus 2r write as it is, and when we open this bracket before this bracket there is a minus sign, so all these signs will change positive to negatives. So this plus p becomes minus p, and plus q becomes minus q, and plus r becomes minus r. Now adding the like terms. 2p and minus p, these are the like terms, so we can add them, adding their coefficients. Plus 2 minus 1, we will get plus 1 and p as it is. So coefficient of p is 1. And plus q minus q cancel with each other due to opposite signs. And plus 2 minus r. So 2r minus 1 minus r, it is equal to plus r. Plus 2 and minus 1, we will get plus 1, r as it is. So our answer is p plus r. Now look at this part number 7. Again there are two algebraic expressions and between them there is a minus sign. Means we have to subtract this algebraic expression from this algebraic expressions. So open these brackets. So write all these terms as it is, and before this bracket there is a minus sign. So when we open these brackets, so we will change the signs. So this plus x square y, it becomes minus x square y, and this plus xy square becomes minus xy square, and this plus 1 becomes minus 1. Now adding the like terms. X cube, there is no other x cube term, so write as it is. And then plus y cube is only one time, so write as it is. And then minus 1 is also one time, there is no any other digit, so write this minus 1 as it is. Now look at the rest of the terms. X square plus y, its sign is plus, and there is minus x square y. So plus x square y and minus x square y cancel with each other, and plus xy square cancel with minus xy square. So this one is our answer. Now question number 2. Question is subtract 2l minus 3m minus n from l minus 4m minus 6n. We have to subtract this algebraic expression from this algebraic expression. Means we will write this algebraic expression first and then put minus sign, and then write this algebraic expression inside the bracket in this way. Minus into 2l minus 3m minus n. Now open these brackets, write all these terms as it is, and when we open this bracket, so we will change their signs. It becomes minus 2l, and this minus 3m becomes plus 3m, and minus n becomes plus n. Now adding the coefficients of like terms. So first of all, comparing the coefficients of, adding the coefficients of L, its coefficient is plus 1 and its coefficient is minus 2. Plus 1 minus 2, it is equal to minus L as it is. And the coefficient of M is minus 4 and coefficient of M is plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3, it is equal to minus M. Minus 6 plus 1, these are the coefficients of n. Minus 6 plus 1, it is equal to minus 5 and n as it is. This one is the answer of this subtraction. Now question number 3. Subtract 2a cube minus 3a square plus 5a plus 5 from 5a cube plus a square plus 2a minus 3. We have to subtract this algebraic expression from this algebraic expression. So we will write this algebraic expression first and then put a minus sign and write this algebraic expression inside the bracket after this minus sign, because we want to subtract this algebraic expression. Now open their brackets. We will write all these terms as it is, and when we open these brackets, so we will change the sign of each term. This plus 2a cube becomes minus 2a cube, and this minus 3a square becomes plus 3a square, and this plus 5a becomes minus 5a, and this plus 5 becomes minus 5. Now adding the coefficients of like terms. There is a cube and there is a cube. Its coefficient is plus 5 and its coefficient is minus 2. So plus 5 minus 2, it is equal to 3 and a cube as it is. Now comparing the coefficients of a square coefficient is plus 1 and here a square coefficient is plus 3. So 3 plus 1, it is equal to 4 and a square as it is. And adding the coefficients of a plus 2 and here minus 5. So plus 2 minus 5, it is equal to minus 3. And adding these numbers minus 3 and minus 5, it is equal to minus 8. So in this way we can subtract one algebraic expression from another algebraic expression. I hope you enjoyed this video lesson. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.